One feature that we can use in PNID is to group lines together. So let's go ahead and take a look at our Home tab. We'll slide on over to our Line Group panel. And within the Line Group panel, we have a tool here, and that tool says Make Group. And we can use this to create new schematic line groups from existing schematic lines or schematic line groups that exist already. So let's go ahead and use the Make Group tool, and you'll see that we're prompted to enter a source schematic line here. I'll choose this 1059 line, and to it I'll add the 1058 and the 1057 and the 1056. I'll go ahead and right click and hit enter, and you'll see they all take on the number of 1059 now. So if we go to the tool that says to choose group or select group, and we pick on this line right here, you'll see that everything that has that same group number that's in the group with it has been selected. Now, we can also edit a group. So you can add, remove, or edit specific information from the group. Let's go ahead and give that a try. We'll go ahead and we'll select our 1059 line, and you'll see that we can add, if we want to go ahead and add 1049 to this group. You'll see now that it's 1059. We can remove from the group. You'll see it's been taken out of the group. We can change a line number. We can either put in a specific number, or we can just take the next available number, and you'll see they're all changed at once. And we can do the same thing for a service as well. So I just took the next available service. We could also put anything custom in there that we want. So that's a few of the things that you can do as far as grouping lines using your line group tool in PNID.